everyone, I'm Emma. Today I'm showing you Enter's brand new Agent Builder. Want your own AI employee? No code required? Build one in minutes, then deploy it anywhere, your website, Slack, or Feishu. Let's take a look. First, look at the left sidebar of your workspace. Click Agent and create a new one. The moment you land here, you'll see Enter has a whole shelf of ready-made templates waiting for you. Customer Support Agent, Data Insight Agent, Product Research Agent, and plenty more. Let's go with the Customer Support Agent. Once you pick it, Enter drops a professional prompt right into the chat box. Hit send, and it gets to work. And it's ready in just a few seconds. Barely costs any credits. After a quick build, your first agent is ready. Description, system prompt, model choice, tool configuration, tool setup, all of it, done for you. Now, let's make it our own. First up, skills. In Enter, you can upload files, pull in workspace resources, or connect a GitHub repository to build and grow these skills. Don't have one ready? Just tell it, right in the chat box, that you'd like to create a skill. So your agent doesn't only know what to do, it knows how to do it well. Next, knowledge. This is where your agent actually learns your business. Product details, help docs, FAQs, all of it. Let's upload a few product files here. After uploading them, add them to your agent's knowledge base. Now, when someone asks a question, your agent answers from your real content, not just whatever the model happened to already know. And that's the real difference. It doesn't just chat. It understands your business and helps solve real problems. Okay, everything's in place. Let's test it. Before you publish, you can chat with your agent anytime, just to make sure it behaves the way you'd expect. Usually, I'll throw a couple of common questions at our customer support agent. And look, it's already answering straight from the knowledge we uploaded. Not quite perfect yet? No problem. Just chat with Enter, refine the skill, add a little more knowledge, and test again. Happy with it? Then you're ready to publish. From the first click to going live, there's almost no fiddly setup at all. So, where can you actually put this agent to work? Let's look at a few of the most common ways. The simplest one? Run your agent as its own standalone web app. Click Share, and you've got a link. Customers, teammates, outside visitors, anyone can open it and start using it right away. No install, no extra setup. Just open the link and start chatting. Beyond running on its own, your agent can slot right into a website you've built with Enter. Click Connect. Pick the website project you want it on. Enter opens that project for you and gets everything ready. Most of the time, you just click Send once, and the rest takes care of itself. And there it is, our customer support agent, live on the site. Now, whenever a visitor needs help, they can just ask. Product features, how things work, the usual questions. The agent jumps in, instantly. It's like giving your website a 24/7 employee who never clocks out. Beyond websites, your agent can also work inside the tools your team already uses every day. Right now, that's Slack and Feishu, with more on the way. Let's connect each one. Slack first. Click Connect under Slack and give your agent a name. Then hit Open Slack Manifest. That pops open the Slack developer portal. Choose your workspace and create the app. Now copy the client ID, the client secret, and the signing secret, and paste them back into Enter. Save those credentials, connect the request URL, click Install to Slack, and finish the authorization. Done! Your agent shows up right there in Slack apps. And just like that, you can chat with it without leaving Slack. Any updates you make to your agent in Enter will automatically sync to Slack, so there's no need to reconnect it. Now, Feishu. Click Connect under Feishu and head over to the Feishu Open Platform. Create your agent there, then come back to Enter and follow the steps it lays out. First, copy the configuration details Enter gives you and paste them into the matching fields over in Feishu. Next, grab the callback URL, head back, and finish the callback setup. Then publish your agent version. The moment you see Feishu connected, that's it, you're in. Your agent now lives inside Feishu, a real part of how your team works every day. Every update you make in Enter will automatically appear in Feishu. You only need to connect it once. And that's the whole process of building an agent with Enter. From creating it, to publishing, to integration, open Enter and build your very first agent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.